So we have a line, and this line has 2 points, point 1, 2, and point 5, 4. There is another point somewhere here called point P, and this point has coordinates of 1, 7. The requirement is to find the distance between this point and the line. Any idea?
Yes.
Yes?
You say see that line? Find the slope. Comes down.
Okay.
I think it's perpendicular slope, so put it for this. And
Okay.
make an equation for the line.
Okay. And for the other line?
This time not to change, but I can show it to you.
Okay. I understand. So this is make an equation of the 2 lines, the red and the green line, then solve them together as a system of equation to find the intercept point. After I have found this intersected point between these 2 lines, I can find easily the distance between these 2 points by the distance formula. So it's easy but long. Now I'm going to divide my screen, trying to organize myself so it can take all down. The first thing is to find the slope for the red line. The slope for the red line is, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Replacing. Yes, it's written.
The slope is 2.
So the slope is 2. 4, how it's 2? It's not 2.
1/2.
How is it 2?
So the slope is 4 minus 2 over 5 minus 1.
5 minus 1 is 4, not 3.
So the slope is 1/2. Okay? Now, if this is the slope, can I use it to write the equation of the line?
Yes.
Okay, so y equals mx plus b. The slope is already 1/2, so y equals half x plus b. I want to find the value of b, so I'm going to replace x and y with either of these points, any of them. You are smart, so let's choose the easiest one. Y is 2, x is 1. Subtracting 1/2 from both sides gives us the value of b. So b equals 1 and 1/2. Yes?
Yes.
Insert it back in the equation. Excuse me. Insert it back in the equation. So y equals 1/2 x plus 1 and 1/2. Makes sense so far?
Yes.
What's this? This is the equation of the red line. Now I'm looking for the equation of the green line. How can I find it?
Take the perpendicular.
The perpendicular, the negative reciprocal slope of this slope is the slope of the green line because it's perpendicular to the red line. So this slope here is -2. Yes? It's already given. He says line containing these 2 points. So I have 2 points. I'm connecting between them. Together. Subtract half from both sides. So 2 minus half. It's 1 and 1/2. Alright? I will also write y equals mx plus b. Substituting this m here, so y equals -2x plus b. What's wrong?
After tie shoes.
Okay. Y and x are given in a point, so I will replace it. So I will replace x with 1 and y with 7. So 7 equals negative 2. 1 plus b. So b equals what? B equals 9, yes? Substitute it here back, then y equals negative 2x plus 9. Okay, so what do I have now? I have the equation of the red line and the equation of the green line. What I'm going to do later, I need to find the intercepted point between these two lines. I'm looking for this point. How can I find it? By solving these two equations as a system.
The substitution.
So I will use substitution, then negative 2x plus 9 is the same as half x plus 1 and 1 half. Half and 1, okay. 1 and 1 half is the same as 3 halves. Now to cancel the denominator of 2, I need to multiply everything by 2. Okay, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4x. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times half is 1x. 2 times 3 half.
3.
2 times 3 halves is 3. Solve it by adding 4x to both sides
Minus 3 from both sides.
and subtract 3 from both sides.
X equals
15. X equals 3.
Then 5x equals
18.
15.
okay. 5x equals 15 and x equals 3. To find the value of y, I need to substitute with this x at either of the equations.
Minus 3.
So I will write here that y equals negative 2, 3 plus 9. So y equals 3. It means that the intercepted point between the green and the red line is point 33. So this is point 33. I want to find the distance between 1, 7 and 3, 3. Using the distance formula, Mr. Muhammad, who can remind me what the distance formula?
The square root of x.
Because d equals square root of x
X
plus
value is minus
x plus minus x
square,
plus
square,
plus
make it square.
square one side
Make it square.
plus x y
x1, y1 is easier from these points. x2, y2 is the other point. So whatever you start from, keep starting from. Now I will consider P as the second point. So I have x2, 1, and y2 is 7. So this is equal to the distance of 7 minus
3.
3 squared. Added to 1 minus 3 squared. Let's simplify. 7 minus 3 squared is 4 squared, that is 16.
Plus
And 1 minus 3 squared is negative 2 squared, that is 4. So it's equal square root of 20. Which means that this distance is square root of 20 units. That's it.